Hello, all my lovely viewers. How are you? Hope that everybody keeping fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I'm also ill by the grace of Almighty Allah. After a long time, I have to come in our village another side road, as you can see. Actually, this road very thin. When I come to walk for this road, then I find a migratory bird. Look at that. Wow, how beautiful. Actually, this bird name is egret, and our village people called bok. Look at that. Actually, these birds are coming in winter season especially. Wow, look at that. How beautiful scenery. If you want to see migratory bird, please come to our village and enjoy it. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.